Living abroad doesn't automatically make you financially secure. You may earn well, work hard, but feel stuck financially. That's why in 2026, I made deliberately money reset to protect my future. Today, I'm sharing exactly how I'm saving, investing, and growing as someone abroad, practically and honestly. Hey family, this is Becky and welcome back to Beck Brilliant Finance. If you want peace, clarity, and growth with your finances and life, you are in the right place. Please like, subscribe, and let's learn together. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm defining clear, measurable financial goals. My research started with clarity. Instead of saying I want to be financially stable, I defined numbers. I know how much I'm going to be saving, and I know by the end of 2026 how much do I want to be saved. How much am I going to invest? How much am I going to use to pay the debts, to clear all the debts? I've already defined the numbers. I know how much is going here and there. Money behaves so well when it has direction. Just know without clear goals, even high salaries, a lot of money also just disappears. 2, I'm creating realistic and flexible budget. Living abroad comes with really expenses, rent, transport, food, and family responsibilities back home. So my budget had to be realistic, not perfect. I created a flexible budget that allows saving, investing, and living. A budget is not a punishment. It just tells you where you want your money to go. It helps you to give your money a direction. 3, prioritizing savings and automations. One major shift I've made was saving first, not last. Before I used to first do everything, then the money remaining, I just save it. I got to know that that was a huge mistake I made, because at the end of the day, you will find there is no money left. If you really mean it, you will find that you have not remained with any money. So this time around, I'm saving first, then the money remaining, I'm using that one. I automated my savings where possible so that saving doesn't depend on the mood. Even small amount, I got where I can be saving. There are many options I can save, even 1k Ugandan shillings. When saved consistently, build confidence and momentum. Remember, consistency beats motivation every time. 4, building an emergency fund. I remember I had built my emergency fund, but I used it almost to zero. Living abroad has taught me that emergencies don't warn you. So part of my money was reset to build emergencies in case of job loss, health issues, emergencies back home. An emergency fund protects your peace and prevents panic decisions. 5, managing debts intentionally. I also had to be honest about debts. I didn't want to pretend that I don't have debts. So what I did, I listed all the debts and focused on clearing high interest debts and also avoided lifestyle debts. Debt should never silently steal your future. Facing it gives you control again. 6, I started investing and growing wealthy wisely. This reset is not about chasing get rich quickly. I focused on financial education first, also starting early and consistently. Also diversifying my investments. Whether it's bonds, Treasury bonds, unit trust, investing in stock, I chose to learn first, understanding all the investments first before investing in anything. I choose understanding overhype. 7. Navigating money as a person abroad. Living abroad adds extra layers. You have to be understanding money, currency exchanges, taxes, sending money home, cross-border investments, and all that. Ignoring this can cost you years of progress, and understanding them earlier protects your wealth. My 2026 money reset is not perfect, it's intentional. If you're living abroad and ready to stop guessing, this is your sign. Start planning. Don't forget to like, share with your friend, and also subscribe. If you're ready to reset your money in 2026, and comment 2026 reset if you're committing to doing better with your money in 2026.